7, 8. These will definitely start to burn. You'll feel those with these holds for sure. 9, 10. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com and welcome back for another video. In this video, it's all about biceps, all right? I'm gonna show you an at-home bicep workout you can do, and this is specifically for beginners. So best bicep workout at home for beginners. That being said, let's get started. All right, man, before I get into the actual workout, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, do me a favor, at the end of this video, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it, okay? That way I can do more short workouts like this. But going back to the workout, this is specifically for beginners. So it may be easy for some of you guys, but if you are a beginner to your weight training, this is gonna be something you can implement 2 different ways. I'm gonna show you the recommended way, and I'll also show you an easier version, okay? The first thing we're gonna do, 3 exercises, and I'm gonna do them as a circuit. We're gonna do 12 to 15 of the first exercise, then 12 to 15 reps of the second exercise, and then 9 reps of the third. The third is actually a TriCon exercise. I'll explain that in a minute. All right, so that's a circuit style. You're gonna do all 3, then rest 60 to 90 seconds, and then go back to the top and then do all 3 again. That's a little bit more of an advanced technique. It's not very hard, it's gonna be extremely intense though. All right, so if you are a true beginner and that sounds difficult to you, then basically what you're gonna do, 12 to 15 reps of the first exercise, rest 60 seconds, then do that same exercise for another 12 to 15 reps, all right? 2 sets of that one. You're gonna rest 60 to 90 seconds and then move on to the second exercise and do the same thing, 12 to 15 reps the first set, rest, and then do a second set of 12 to 15 reps. Then you're gonna rest 60 to 90 seconds at the end of that one before you move on into your third exercise. So that's the easier version. I'm gonna demonstrate the first version for you. All right, first one we're gonna do, these are dumbbell curls, but this is a close grip dumbbell curl, meaning you're gonna keep these dumbbells really close together. The main benefit of this, let me show you real quick. The way your biceps work, if your palms are supinated, meaning away from your body, rotated this way, put your finger right on the center of that bicep. If you bring the dumbbells straight up, that's the main portion of the bicep that's being worked, okay, right there. As you come out wide, you'll see where my finger is now. That's the main part of the bicep that's being worked. As you come in, you're working more of the outer head of the bicep, all right? The long head, the inside ball is the short head. The outside that's the most neglected is considered the long head of the bicep. Bi meaning 2, so the 2 muscles of the bicep. All right, so since the most neglected one is the long head, that's why we're starting with the close grip. All right, from here, you keep your shoulders back, chest out, and focus on really stretching or contracting, flexing those biceps at the top with every one of these reps. About 2 seconds, 1001, 1002, bring them back down. Notice I'm keeping the biceps, the dumbbells close and not bringing them back out wide. They're gonna stay close together throughout the entire range of motion, all right? Here, flex, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll do 12 of these. 10, 11. The other thing you'll notice I'm doing at the top is I'm rotating my wrist out, which is basically getting my pinky higher than my thumb. You're doing that with each hand. That's gonna give you a peak contraction at the top. All right, once you finish that first exercise, we're gonna go straight into a cross-body hammer curls. Hammer meaning my hands are neutral. They're no longer rotated out. They're just neutral grip coming right across the front of my body. 2, here you go, 3, 4, 4. So same thing, shoot for 12 to 15 with each arm. I'll go 12 for the sake of the video, so it's not quite so long. You kind of get the idea of what we're doing. Really control the weight up though, and make sure you're not bringing your elbows forward. All right, and keeping your shoulders back. So 2 more with each one. 1, 2, 2. All right, the next exercise is a TriCon exercise. TriCon sets are always 9 reps. For these, you do want the supinated grip, palms out. And we've got 3 different sets of reps. First 3 are gonna be explosive. Shoulders back still, 1. Explosive meaning I'm getting the weights up pretty quick. 2, 3. The next 3 are 10-second holds right at the mid-range. Right here about 90 degrees, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 8, 1009, 10. Get a good stretch. Another hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another full stretch. Your third hold. 1001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These will definitely start to burn. You'll feel those with these holds for sure. 9, 10. Now the next 3 are super slow. 4 seconds up, 4 seconds down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more, really focus. Hard contraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should get a little stretch at the bottom down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's 9 reps. Now you shake it out, rest your 60 to 90 seconds, and then you're gonna do that again. Okay, so you'll notice it's a quick workout. It's not gonna take you long, but it's very intense. You'll definitely feel the blood in your biceps. Again, if you even try this and it's too difficult without the rest in between, then set it up the way I suggested at the beginning of the video. Just doing 2 sets of the first exercise, then move on to the second, do another 2 sets, then move on to the last TriCon set to do your last exercise. But all right, again, just to reiterate, if you like this video, man, please give me a thumbs up, let me know. Also, if you have any questions about any of these exercises, there are only 3, but I wanna make sure you're doing all 3 correctly. So if you have any questions at all, leave it in the comment section. Other than that, man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.